Hello friends, welcome to another new video from Health and Techie. Today I am going to show you how to separate aloe vera pups from the aloe vera parent plant. This is my aloe vera pups growing in my aloe vera container. I will show you how to separate them and to transplant into another container. Okay, let's start. First of all, you have to moisten your container with adding water and let it be there for 20 or 30 minutes. Then you have to gently pull out the parent plant like this. You can see here, and then you have to remove the pups carefully without losing its rootings. Rootings are very important for its growth. Now I am going to transplant this into a new container like this. The very important thing is you have to pull the plant very gently, otherwise there will be a chance for the loss of its rootings. Then you have to transplant it into another container and you can grow it into a new aloe vera plant like this. So that's it for today guys. If you like my video, please hit that like button and also subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.